Hello, my name is Stephen McCoy, and we're here talking about pouring latte art into Go cups today. We're just building on some fundamentals that we laid out in a previous video that we've made here about pouring latte art. So here are a few tips and tricks to make pouring latte art into Go cups a little bit easier. When pouring latte art into Go cups, you gotta focus on the angle of the cup a little bit more while you're pouring. It's harder to get to the crema, so it's harder to draw as soon as you usually can in a ceramic mug. So you have to wait until the cup is a little more full before you can draw. When pouring your latte art, make sure you start out nice and high, swirling and incorporating your milk and espresso. To draw, get in nice and close with the pitcher and get as close as you can to the crema. When you want to finish your design, pull the pitcher up high and cut through your design to finish. Pour a lot more to Go cups than you do for Hereware, so use this as an opportunity to learn and grow and just get better with your latte art.